Hello friends, welcome to back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful amazing crochet long bedsheet designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. All the designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can get also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful, so I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend Ellie, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch any video related to fashion, visit my channel, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. You will remember. Prayer and bye.